Hi everyone, here's my quick and easy recipe for some yummy mini crab cakes. You're gonna be popping these in your mouth non-stop. So let's get cooking. First, you're gonna need half a pound of crab meat. You can use lump crab meat, but I'm gonna be using canned crab meat today. Just make sure to remove all of the moisture. Add 1 cup of panko crumbs to your crab. Crack 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and half a tablespoon of whole grain mustard. Then add the juice from half a lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and then you just want to mix, mix, mix. Then you want to roll your crab meat mixture into these mini patties, about 2 inches wide and 1 inch thick. This is going to make about 10 mini patties. You guys, these mini crab cakes look and smell amazing. I'm just gonna plate them now on some thinly sliced pieces of watermelon radish. 1, 2, 3. Garnish with some microgreens. I'm gonna add a tiny dollop of horseradish, creamy horseradish on top of each. This can get really spicy. And then just a little piece of chive on top. And look at how pretty that is. Here you go.